In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a car.co template. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to the car.co dashboard, which is available on this link at the very top over here, and you want to click on New Site at the very top right. Now, once you do this over here, you can just find your template. So you can see there's different ones. There's the profile, landing, form, portfolio, section, etc. So you have to just find one that you would like to get. So for example, for this instance, we're just going to take this one over here, and you simply want to click on the select button when you basically hover over it. Now, when I click on select over here, you'll see this is now how this site looks like, okay? And what you actually have to do over here to basically copy it for yourself, you want to click on the save button up top. You want to give it a title, so I'm just going to name it template. There we go, template, and inside the description, I'm just going to type in template as well. And then what you can do is two of the following things. You can publish it to a car.co URL, which will basically publish it immediately, or you can just save it as an offline draft. And of course, if you do this, you'll basically just save it, but not post it yet, because of course, it's likely not yet edited. So you simply want to click either of these, click on save over here, and this is basically going to start saving. And you want to then press OK. You can go up here to this hamburger menu, go back to dashboard, and as you can see, you've successfully copied yourself a car.co template, which you can then edit and post whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.